you know, Mexico who play good football, it's hard to run for that long.
Right.
So they done so well to be 1-0 up. I didn't see around 75 minutes. I didn't see them really scoring. I thought it was really, we defended it really well.
Yeah.
So maybe when you're defending that long, it's 10 men, gaps start to open.
Yeah.
You get tired, so it's a tough one.
Yeah, man, it's a tough one. So
I've not seen the foul either. I don't know if it was a red card. It didn't look like it from where I was.
Yeah. So in terms of going into the next game, you know.
Coach Brian, we can talk to you a little bit after this. Although they must shut up.
Done the colours for the boys.
Yeah, man. I he just came yesterday, so just getting a little bit top up today.
Yeah.
And then just get myself ready, really.
Alright.
We can ask a question.
In terms of your paternal or maternal connection, tell us how is that in terms of how are you connected to the boys?
Yeah. So my dad was born in England, but he was when he was young, maybe about 5. He moved back to Jamaica for a good 15, 20 years before coming back. And but his parents and my grandparents that obviously originate from Jamaica. Yeah.
Alright, thanks for being here and big up yourself.
Thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
Yeah.
Alright, welcome to Jamaica first of all, Kevin. One question. Because you would have covered almost everything I wanted to ask, right?
Yeah.
Honest answer, do you like what you see from the program, and do you see yourself going forward with the Reggae Boys even beyond this qualifying campaign?
Yeah, no, definitely. I think in a way it's a new almost a new project because there's a lot of new players.
Yeah.
We haven't gelled. We've not been together for long. Maybe Mexico. I don't know much about them, but it looks like I'm sure they've probably been together for a lot longer than we have.
For sure.
Maybe some of them been with each other since they were young.
Yeah.
Coming through the ranks. Ours is a lot different. So to even put up the fight we did there, actually proves we've got a lot of potential.
Yeah. And
I think it's just something that we're gonna get better at.
Yeah, because
people look like they're sticking around. So if we have time, get together and have more time, I think we can do some good things.
All right. So we have Nations League and other competitions, Gold Cup and World Cup qualifiers. Will we be seeing Kevin Stewart?
Yeah, as long as I'm selected, I'm
all right.
Yeah,
Thank you so much and welcome to Jamaica, man.
Thank you, man.
All right.
Appreciate it.